Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME GT3 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here let me go back quickly to the general list of the settings. And here we have to scroll and find the option display and brightness. Now let's scroll down and find the option which is called auto screen off and tap on it. So here we've got some options from which we can choose. At the top we've got relatively short options like 15 or 30 seconds, and at the bottom the longest, which is 30 minutes. So all you have to do is to simply tap on the specific option which you'd like to apply, and as you can see it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on, after 10 minutes of an activity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.